This VRC 20000 mAh power bank offers enough capacity to comfortably get most phones through a long weekend of heavy use without hunting for an outlet. Its built-in wall plug and integrated cables fold neatly into the body, so you can travel lighter and avoid carrying a tangle of separate cords and adapters. The fast charging output of up to 22.5 watts delivers noticeably quicker top-ups than basic bricks, and it can handle several devices at once without feeling sluggish. A clear digital display shows the remaining charge at a glance, which makes it much easier to plan when to plug in the bank or your devices, compared with simple indicator lights. The compact, brick-style design strikes a good balance between size and capacity, staying portable enough for daily commuting while still supporting phones, tablets, and other small electronics. Built-in safety protections against overheating, overcharging, and short circuits provide extra peace of mind when you are charging overnight or using it on flights.